Creating a survey with Google Forms is one of the fastest ways to collect feedback or opinions online. Just head to Google Forms.google.com and click the blank form to start. Give your survey a clear title and description so people know what it's about. Then start adding your questions. You can choose from multiple choice, checkboxes, short answers, and even drop downs depending on the type of response you need. To keep things organized, group related questions using section breaks and add images or videos if you want to make the experience more engaging. You can also turn on required questions so no one skips important information under the settings gear so you can control whether people can submit multiple times, stay anonymous, or get a confirmation message after completing the form. Once your survey is ready, click send and either email it, share the link, or embed it on your website. All responses are collected automatically in the Responses tab. It can be sent directly in Google Sheets for easier analysis. If this helped you get started, follow for more quick and practical guides using Google's free tools. Yeah, until then, I'll catch you in the next video. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.